Look here. Open this presentation on your computer also. Come this side. From current slide. Open. Siri.
Yes, teacher.
Will have Siri.
Open it, teacher.
Please stop talking and look here.
Teacher, I open it.
Good. Network architecture. Architecture means how we connect the computers.
How we can handle.
How we can handle it. Okay. So about that you are going to study. Network, how a network are arranged, how computers are arranged. About that it is. Network architecture include configuration and strategies. Come to next slide, you see. Network architecture configuration. You see this one? The four principal network topology are used. Topology means how we connect the computers, how we make a network. That is star, bus, ring and hierarchical. Star, you see this is star.
Teacher, there is a
bus. Meaning?
Al-Harumiyya. What is it?
This one?
Yes.
I will tell you. I will explain one by one. This all. Okay. Star, you see. These are the star network. In next slide, it is explained one by one.
Like star, yeah.
As bus topology, ring topology, and hierarchical topology. What are these? One by one, you will see. What are these? Star network, you see. In this case, there is a main server here. All computers and devices are connected from here. You can see. Can use to support time sharing system. Means when this one is using, then this one is waiting, then this one is using, this one is waiting. Yes. Okay. This means the multiple users can share resources or time on a central computer. One computer, they can use resources. Commonly used to link microcomputer, means we connect these computers.
What is the difference between the star and the...
Yes, you will...
Just the shape?
No. If you remove this computer in the star, Fahad, look here. If you remove this computer, there is no effect on this device. They can work. They can work. There is no problem.
Without switch?
Yeah, they are connected from here. Individual. There is no connection between these two. Means if you remove this, no problem. Still they can connect and they can send messages. They can use. If you remove server, everything will go.
Everything doesn't work.
It will not work.
So not work.
But in the bus network, you see, in the bus network, computers are connected through a main cable.
Yeah, just one cable. Yeah.
If you send any message from here to this computer, any message from this computer to this computer, what will happen? These all will get.
Why?
But they will check whether it is for this or for not. If not, they will not accept. But since it is sent to this computer, so only this computer will identify and it will accept that message. That is the main thing. Okay. Here it is speed is slow. Compared to star, speed is slow in this case.
That's very slow.
Ring network. In the ring network, what happened? All computers are connected in the form of ring. Any message is sent from here to this computer. It will go to this computer, then here and here it will reach. Means it should move to all the computer.
If you remove one from this.
If you remove one, so the connection is broken. It will not go to next one because you have removed this one from here. Connection is from here, it is connected to here. This is connected to here. This is connected to here. This is connected. So if you remove one item,
so
they will not be able to link. Everything must be connected.
Every computer
yeah.
work with two computers?
Yes.
Not three,
not
just two computers.
Yes. Processing tasks can be performed.
I understand the
yes.
What's the server? what's the
بطلع شو تقول لايف
service do?
Saad, take your seat.
Okay.
What service?
Service means
Teacher.
to to open the to send the file from here to here, to send the message, to communicate to each other.
The service.
Yes, service. Sending data, sending file, receiving file, etc.
Without service, there is nothing.
Nothing use of networking. You use these things. Saad, take your seat. Please keep quiet. Hierarchical network. You ask about this hierarchical network. In this case, there is a big computer. You can see. After that, another computer, then another computer. Bashiri, keep silence and open this one. First, take an example of. Yes, I will tell you how it is. STC network, Sava network. You see, STC is here. From STC, connection is given to KSU. One connection is given to, just example, King Abdulaziz University. Okay, this is CC. From here, one connection to KSU, one connection to King Abdulaziz University. From here, King Abdulaziz University, there are so many computers, they are connected. In KSU, so many connected. So this is hierarchical. Top, then down, then down, then bottom. If this computer want to send some message, so from this server it will go to STC, and from then it will go to other countries.
STC?
Example, STC means Saudi Telecom Network company. So this is a hierarchical, that is top, then bottom, these two. This is hierarchical, step by step. Like manager, then assistant manager, then other persons. Okay? Like that. Network strategies, terminal, client server, and peer-to-peer.
Strategies.
Yes. What is this? That is a good question. I will explain you now. What is terminal, what is client server, and what is peer-to-peer. Look here, next page. Terminal network. In this case, you see, here is a powerful computer. This computer is having CPU, processor, and storage, hard disk, and printer, and everything. These computers don't have CPU processing. Just they have keyboard, mouse, and monitor. And there is a device, it is coming thin client. Okay, what it does, these computers are connected to this main computer. They store data here, their operating system is here, they can access with this one. If this computer is off, they can't work. This is called terminal network. Terminal network means the node are either terminals with little or no processing capacity. Yeah, it is cheap compared to other. It is cheap. More, because you don't need to buy the CPU for these computers. Only
Who use this?
Generally, it is used in cyber cafe. One computer is there, big computer. From that computer, internet is going to all the computer. Means they have keyboard, mouse, and monitor.
Like here, yeah.
Yes. No. Here it is a client server. Your computer is like this. Your computer is client and server because you also have CPU. Here is also CPU. This is client server. Client server means both computer is having processor. Both computer is having processing power, storage power, and etc. Okay, that is client and server. And peer-to-peer network. Peer-to-peer means one computer is here, another computer is here. You can take example of uTorrent. Torrent website. When you download something, what happens? You are not downloading from one computer. When you start downloading, some data will come from particular computer to your computer direct.
Yes.
Another data will come from another computer to your computer directly. You are not downloading from a particular website or particular server. That is uTorrent. This is called peer-to-peer, one computer to another computer, direct connection. Next one, organizational intranet. Can you see? Internet, organizational internet means like in KSU. You see, KSU is having its own website. PY is having website. if internet is stopped, just say internet is not coming, then also you can open KSU website here, because its server is in the KSU. Okay, that is organizational. In the university there is a website, there is a connection for these computers. Look here, intranet. Can you see the spelling? Not internet, this is intranet. Intranet means inside the campus, inside the organization, there are the computers connected. You see, this is a KSU server and these are the computers, your computer. These are connected to this KSU server and this is connected to internet. So this is intranet, this area. Another word is extranet. Extranet means the website or the facility which can be used in the network, in the university as well as outside the university. For example, you can open HIERA website.
Yes.
Here. You can enter username, password, you can open here, as well as you can open it from your home.
Yes.
But the student of other university will not able to open HIERA. Why? Because they don't have username and password. That is the example of extranet. Extranet means is an intranet or a part of intranet. Means some more facility is given to the person to use with username and password. Next step is what is difference between intranet and extranet. You can see private network within organization, only in the campus. Private network that connect different organization. It can connect different organization. And like the people intranet use browser, website and etc. Extranet used by some organization to allow supplier and other limited access. Means they can use but they need a username and password, privilege. Firewall. Firewall means, yeah, some more are there. Firewall is like a door. Can you see this door? Like a door. It protects your computer as well as your network from outside. You see, there is a firewall, there is local network, your computers. This firewall will check the websites which are coming from internet to your computer. If you allow, then only it will come, otherwise it will not come. Proxy server. Proxy server is like a you can say security guard on the gate. Like a security guard. He is here, security guard is here, and from internet means from main road, if any data will come, this will check. If it is okay, if it is good, then only allow, otherwise let him stop. As well as it can control this network. Proxy server can control. Maybe the security guard can come and lock this door, so nobody come inside the university. Okay, so that is like a gatekeeper, like a person on the security guard. That is a proxy server. It can block some website, it can allow some website. These are the facilities. It can stop some network connection, okay, or it can block all the network connection, etc. These are the facilities. WW and accessing it, World Wide Web, and using this one. You are going to study about World Wide Web. Actually, what is World Wide Web? It is a collection of information on electronic format, that is in websites or web pages. Look here, next one, go to next topic, applet. Applets are the program, software, you can say small program, written in Java language. Okay, it helps your browser to open image, to open animation, to open some audio and video on your computer, to provide help to open game. So applets are programs which help us to open these things.
The
YouTube or some picture or some flash and etc. These things. Web surfing. Web surfing means searching information on internet. Going to this website, going to that website, going to search some information about books, some information about movies, some information about entertainment, etc. That is called web surfing. Okay. Next one is, go to next topic, protocol. Protocol means rules, kanun. Okay. By which rule what data will go through the network. Like there is a rule for traveling on the road. When you see the green light, you should go. When you see red light, stop. Okay. This is the rule of the road. Same type, there are rules how data will be transferred from one computer to another computer or the network. So about that only I am telling, the rules are there, protocols are there by which data transfer from one computer to other computer. TCP IP, TCP and IP. TCP means transmission control protocol. You see, transmission control protocol, meaning how data is going from your computer network to other computer network. IP means how data will come from internet to your computer. And one more thing, data transfer from one computer to another computer over the network in the form of packet. Not just one by one, it's in the form of packet. It goes from one network to one place to another place through the network. Router. Router are the device which share the resources, network. Packets are reassembled as destination to get the original information. Like you see, routers are there in the corridor here in the university. You can use your mobile through the Wi-Fi. That Wi-Fi is through the router. Internet is coming to that router, it is spreading. So those who are inside that network, inside the area, he can use it. Like you use Mobile WiMAX. If you buy Mobile WiMAX device, you can connect your laptop with that through the Wi-Fi. That is a router. Come to the topic TCP/IP feature, same thing. What it does? This protocol involves identification and reformatting. Identification means from which computer data is coming. Reformatting means changing it from analog to digital. IP identification. IP identification means internet protocol. Every computer, when you connect to the internet, then your computer will get an internet address. And if you send an email or send any information to other computer, your computer's IP will go to that computer. So that if security person wants to check who have sent the information, they can track your IP address. Okay, that is called IP identification. Come to the topic reformatting. Reformatting means changing. Data travels over the internet, over the network in analog signal. But when it reaches to the destination computer, it is open in the computer in the form of digital. So this is analog to digital, digital to analog. It's called changing from one format to another format. Communication system. That is very important and good topic. You can see. Here is a computer, for example, MOS. And here is a computer of SAD. MOS is sending a message to SAD computer. So this message will go, he can write a message and send. So this message will go from his network to this switch, from switch to the server, From server it will come again to the switch, from switch to this network and go to SAD computer. It will not go directly this way. So the message will go through the communication connection device and channel, communication channel. Person who is sending is called sender and the person who is receiving is called receiver. Sending and receiving device. This generally we use modem. Generally we use modem for sending message and receiving message. One more thing. This topic is sending device and receiving device. The person from where it is sent, that is sending device, and where it is received, it is receiving device, which gets. Next one is communication channel. It can be cable, it can be Bluetooth, it can be infrared or Wi-Fi. Okay. A physical connection such as wire or wireless you can use. Now we will talk about telephone line and coaxial cable. Telephone line, you can talk to somebody by this telephone, basic phone, or you can talk to somebody by mobile phone. Mobile phone is a wireless, basic phone is a with wire, with cable. Look here, this is telephone line, it is twisted pair cable. Cables are connected to like this, each other. Twisted pair cable. Another cable is coaxial cable. Can you see? This one. It is used in your TV, from your dish antenna to your TV. Coaxial cable. You see? It's like this. Next step is fiber optic cable. This is very good cable, but it's a little bit costly than other cable. Okay. In fiber optic, you see data transfer from here. This one in the form of light. Is it open? Fiber optic cable, you know?
Fiber.
Fiber optic
That's
cable.
aluminum.
No, fiber optic cable. How data is transferred? In the form of light. It's very fast, but it is little bit costly. Wireless connection. Wireless means no cable, no wire. You can use infrared, broadcast radio, microwave and satellite. These things you can use to transfer data. Like you see, infrared. Infrared means you can see the example of that is called TV and remote. Your TV is there, your remote is here. These are connected to each other through the infrared light. Or you can control this projector by infrared, by remote. Next topic is broadcast radio. Broadcast radio means, like you see, transistor or radio. So they will send a message and message will be received by some particular device which is having the receiver. That is broadcast radio. Another way of wireless is microwave. Generally it is used in TV transmission. These are high frequency waves and they transmit data from one place to another place via the microwave. Okay. So this is wireless communication. Travel in straight line and therefore be transmitted across relatively short distance. It does not go so far. In the short distance it works. Good medium for sending data between building in a city or a large college campus. Okay. No need to make a cable or wire. It can transfer with the waves. Almost we are going to finish. Bluetooth, you know. Bluetooth is a device by which two devices, two computers, two items can connect each other. Is a proprietary open wireless technology used for data exchange over short distance. It does not transfer data over long distance. Personal area network. It means if you want to connect all the computer, all the devices at your home, you can make a network, personal area network. It creates a wireless personal area network, PAN. provide a way to connect and exchange information. Means at your home, laptop, mobile and printer, other devices can be connected through that network. That is personal area network. GPS. You know about what is GPS?
Yes. Yes.
GPS is a global positioning system. Its meaning is that you can find the way, road. If you want to go somewhere, you can find out how to go and how much location. Yeah. Geographic. Its full form is global positioning system. Okay. How it works and where it is used. No, there are so many satellites over the earth. So many satellites, around 36 satellites are there, and they focus to each part of the earth 24 hours. They are moving around along with the earth, so they find the location and send to your device. Connection devices, as I explained you, one is the sending device, another is receiving device. How they connect? With the help of modem. Can you see this device? You see here? Can you see this device? Modem. What modem do? Modem full form is modulator, MO, modulator, and DEM, demodulator. Modulator means it converts signal from digital to analog, and demodulation means analog to digital. That is the work of modem. Modem, same thing. There are 4 types: internal, external, data card, and wireless. Internal, external modem is this one, is you can see in the picture. It is outside. Internal modem is inside the CPU. We fix it. PC card. When you buy a small card, that is called PC card modem. Another one is wireless, like mobile WiMAX. See, this is PC card modem. You can attach in your laptop and access internet. Oh, and this one is Wi-Fi, wireless modem.
Without cable.
Without cable. Connection services, dial-up, DSL, ADSL, and cellular services. Now we will discuss about that. Connection services, dial-up services. These are old connection. Yeah, its speed was slow. Okay, the maximum data transfer was 56 kbps. After that it came DSL and ADSL and cable modem. DSL is more fast than previous one, dial-up. Okay, and ADSL is asymmetric digital subscriber line. One of the most widely used type of DSL. Now generally use this ADSL. Cable modem is use existing telephone cable, means cable modem is used telephone cable to display, to do the connection. Cellular services means mobile services. Mobile services are connected through the tower. There is a tower. In this tower, radio waves, microwaves are transferred, and if you come inside this range with your mobile device, you can connect. You are able to send message or talk to somebody. So that is called cellular services, cellular device. Cost and speed. Here is a table. It shows how much is the speed of which type of modem and how much it does cost. Dial-up around $10, 56 kbps. Second, receiving image 45 seconds. This is given in your PowerPoint I sent you. Fastest is the broadband. Data transfer and bandwidth. Bandwidth means how much fast data is transferred. As you ask, 2 Mbps, 4 Mbps, 1 GB. Okay, that is called the bandwidth. How much is the capacity of the network to transfer data? It is voice band medium band and broadband. Look here. Voice band is used for telephone communication, just for talking. Then it comes medium band. It is the bandwidth used in a special leased line, some line, a special line, like one ATM to another ATM. Okay. Broadband is fast. Broadband is the fastest among these all. So only these are the topic in your internet, and your internet is completed now. In next class, that is after break, when you will come, after vacation when you come, that time you will study self-learning and you will do projects. After that you will study in Excel and PowerPoint. So in your final exam, 3 topics will be there: Internet, Excel and PowerPoint. Okay? Thank you.
هنا السيلف ليرنينج